fucking jump.
All right, shoe believers, welcome back to the Ozone. I don't know if you guys want any box action, but I'll get you some box action. Like I said, those of you that know by looking at these, what these are, get you guys a little bit of label action. All right, this shoe reads the Women's Air Jordan 3 Retro Black, Fire Red, and Metallic Gold, aka the Jordan 3 Retro Metallic Gold. The shoe didn't do good at all. Everybody seems to didn't want this shoe. Just like that. Materials on this shoe, it seems pretty standard. It seems to be Jordan 3 materials. You even get the little hang tag. They don't usually put this in anymore. Not a bad shoe in my opinion. Pretty good colorway. I guess the Jordan 3 may be fading out on people, or maybe because this was a woman's release. I don't know if you're a Jordan 3er and you can fit this. I don't know why you wouldn't like this shoe. Show you guys the top. Get the little gold tongue. Normal elephant print on the front of the shoe. Black tumbled leather. Red eyelets at the bottom with red Jumpman on gold background. Like I said, an actual Jordan hang tag. All rolled, tumbled up black leather. Normal leather bottom. Normal Jordan 3. Black back, the Jumpman Air, elephant print to the black bottom. Same thing on this side of the shoe. Standard Jordan 3 bottom. Give you guys a look at what the shoe is going to look like when it's on your feet and wrap this up. You know what you think about this colorway, guys? Would you buy this colorway? Did you buy this colorway? You know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel next? Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump.